I let AI decide what I was going to eat only using what was in my fridge. Okay, so we're talking about letting an AI help you choose something healthy to eat, specifically with what is in your fridge already, to help you come up with different ideas and what have you. So first off, we should say that pretty much all the AI models can do this in terms of what you have in your fridge. In the case of you taking an image with your phone camera and using that for it to see, might be more difficult because you're relying on specifically what's visible for the camera and the AI to actually catch and see. So it depends. Otherwise, if you're typing in text or voice chat, the specific things that you have in your fridge might be easier. This is done basically using ChatGPT, and I'm gonna go over some of the ingredients that I entered. Just a running list of things that it has to choose to pick from. I'm gonna go over some of the items. You can see the whole list right here on the screen, but basically told it things like chicken breasts, eggs, avocado, Greek yogurt, red bell pepper, processed deli meat, barbecue sauce, mayonnaise, and so forth. The full list is right there. So I gave it this list of what's in the fridge. Obviously, the more detailed, specific, the better options it has to give you different recipes. And let's see what AI, in this case, ChatGPT, comes up with. So now the recipe name, because it gave me a name for it, the recipe name is high protein chicken power wrap with creamy yogurt dressing. Okay, so that's the name of the dish. Not a catchy name, but it is a name. Again, it's high protein chicken power wrap with creamy yogurt dressing. This is what ChatGPT mentioned on nutritional facts about why this recipe is good, why I picked it. So this recipe is high in protein. When it comes to chicken plus Greek yogurt, it has healthy fats with respect to avocado plus the olive oil. As far as fiber, look at the whole wheat wrap and vegetables. If you recall the list of the different things that I mentioned to ChatGPT that I had in the fridge, obviously it excluded the hot dogs, the instant noodles, and things that don't correspond with what I'm looking for. Obviously, you want to input that you're looking for a healthy option, and you can specifically put what that means to you. If it's low sodium, if you want higher protein, whatever the combination is, it's going to base its answer off of what you give it. So if you want something more specific, you should be more specific. Like if you're looking for something diabetic friendly, then you should mention that. Otherwise, it's going to give a general response of a recipe that it thinks is healthy to you, unless you are more specific, which you should be if you have specific health conditions. First, step one, it says, season chicken with salt, pepper, and garlic. Slice into strips. Heat pan with olive oil. Cook 5 to 6 minutes per side until fully cooked. That's the first step. Number 2 is prepping the vegetables. Chop baby spinach. Slice cherry tomatoes. Cut red bell peppers. Slice avocado. Step 3 is to make the sauce. That's going to be 2 to 3 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. Squeeze fresh lemon juice. Add minced garlic plus pinch of salt and mix until smooth. Number 4, you want to build the wrap. You want to lay out whole wheat wrap. You want to add the chicken, the vegetables, and small sprinkle of cheese. Drizzle the yogurt sauce. Number 5, this is optional but recommended. You could toast the wrap. I guess is what it's saying here. Place wrap in the pan, toast it for 1 to 2 minutes per side until slightly crispy. That's optional, it says. If you want to toast it, you can. I am not a cook, nor am I not a cook. I'm not a good one either. But since we are using, I think it's a fairly straightforward recipe with what it mentioned and being a wrap. I don't think it's that complex of it. I probably could do this. I say probably being the key word. But since we are using AI, why don't we use AI for the actual recipe creation itself? This is basically AI Keith making this exact recipe based on these specific exact ingredients. And let's see a little clip of what that looked like.
Welcome back. Today, we're making a high-protein chicken power wrap with creamy yogurt dressing for the BMH Health Community.
Okay, so I think this came out fine. I think it likely would be a pretty good option. And I feel like it's a legit balanced meal. And obviously way better than a number of takeout options I might be doing if I was ordering from, who knows, if I was ordering from Domino's, Pizza Hut, Burger King, or even some other different types of options. Still probably a better option controlling it myself and doing it with what's in my fridge, and probably a better option for you with our budgets. You can use AI in this fashion when it comes to making the most of what you have in your fridge. What I like about it is that this is a fairly straightforward answer in terms of a wrap. But if you're looking at something more complex of a recipe, it will go there too. It will give you different ideas based on, you could even give it a specific idea if there's one element in the fridge that you want it based on. Let's say it was a wrap, then that'll be the core of what the recipe is going to be based on. Or if I say I don't want to wrap, and I take that out of the mix within the ingredients that I listed earlier, then that changes things, and maybe it makes a stir fry. Maybe it makes some other concept based on what I give it. So there's a lot of interesting things and recipes that you can come up with the help from AI, or maybe entirely from AI.
Welcome back, everyone, to the show. I'm here with my co-host. Yeah, it's great to be here.
What do you think? Let me know in the comments if you've done this before. Have you used an AI recipe before? How did it turn out? Was it good? Was it tasty? Was it beneficial to whatever goal you were looking to achieve with this specific recipe? I think maybe for some future episodes in the series, probably gonna do a recipe with you guys right here. And that's gonna be interesting.
I'm making this delicious chicken stir fry. That's interesting.
Anyways, until next time, I will see you in our next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let us know your thoughts on doing recipes and taking recipe information or ideas or tips from AI. Is that something you think you would do, or do you think you'd leave the cooking to your human counterparts? Let us know in the comments, and we will see you in the next one.